Many Japanese language learners fail Japanese verbs. They keep making the same mistakes. Let's fix it for you in 6 minutes for Ichidan verbs, iru-eru, group 2. Step 1. Start with dictionary form, ending iru-eru. Step 2. Drop ru. It's a basic stem to work with. Step 3. Add the grammar ending nai, mas, ru, reba, yo. Let's learn how to conjugate the most common Japanese Ichidan verbs ending iru, eru. To see, to look at. Dictionary form. Miru, mi. Minai, not to see, do not see. Negative. Mimasu, I see, I will see. Non-past. Miru, I see, I will see. Non-past plain. Mireba, if I see. Conditional. Miyo, let's see. Volitional call to action. To eat. Dictionary form. Taberu, tabe, tabenai. Not to eat, do not eat. Negative. Tabemasu, I eat, I will eat. Non-past. Taberu, I eat, I will eat. Non-past plain. Tabereba, if I eat. Conditional. Tabeyo, let's eat. Volitional call to action. To wear, to put on. Dictionary form. Kiru, ki. Kinai, not to wear, do not wear. Negative. Kimasu, I wear, I will wear. Non-past. Kiru, I wear, I will wear. Non-past plain. Kireba, if I wear. Conditional. Kiyo, let's wear. Volitional call to action. To go out, to leave. Dictionary form. Deru, de. Deny, not to go out, do not go out. Negative. Demasu, I go out, I will go out. Non-past. Deru, I go out, I will go out. Non-past plain. Dereba, if I go out. Conditional. Deyo, let's go out. Volitional call to action. To sleep. Dictionary form. Neru, ne. Nenai, not to sleep, do not sleep. Negative. Nemasu, I sleep, I will sleep. Non-past. Neru, I sleep, I will sleep. Non-past plain. Nereba, if I sleep. Conditional. Neyo, let's sleep. Volitional call to action. To open. Dictionary form. Akeru, ake. Akenai, not to open, do not open. Negative. Akemasu, I open, I will open. Non-past. Akeru, I open, I will open. Non-past plain. Akereba, if I open. Conditional. Akeyo, let's open. Volitional call to action. To wake up, to get up. Dictionary form. Okiru, oki. Okinai, not to wake up, do not wake up. Negative. Okimasu, I wake up, I will wake up. Non-past. Okiru, I wake up, I will wake up. Non-past plain. Okireba, if I wake up. Conditional. Okiyo, let's wake up. Volitional call to action. To teach, to instruct. Dictionary form 教える教え教えない Not to teach Do not teach Negative 教えます I teach I will teach Non-past 教える I teach I will teach Non-past plain 教えれば If I teach Conditional 教えよう Let's teach